All right, let's do a little tutorial video. I touched on this principle one other time during another video, but I figured it's worth mentioning enough to make a separate video. So I got the SCAR 4500 on the bench. Just got it wired to 2 ohm on the resistor bank. And I've got, it's about 14.5 volts. I've got the oscilloscope on the screen. I've got 3 clamp meters here. All right, so this one's going to measure the amperage, the total amperage going into the amplifier through this 2 volt. And then, where I have 6 runs of 2 volt from the cap bank to the distribution blocks. I've got multiple clamp meters because obviously, all 6 is not going to fit through one. And so, if I have 6 up here or 6 over here, or whatever, I can split it up. But I also, want to show you that electricity finds its way through the path of least resistance. So, this is going to be the total amount of current going through into the amplifier because it's just one single wire. And then we're going to clamp these 3 wires and we're going to clamp these 3 wires. And I did some testing previously, and all 3 of these clamps are, they read about the same. And this one reads a little different. So, all these right here, all 3 of these, they read about the same. So that's why I'm doing 2 separate clamps, just to have a good test. All right, so I've got them all set to max, and we'll let's go ahead and hit it with 40 hertz. So you can watch the screen right here. We're at 14.4 volts. All right. So now let's just take the clamps off, and we're going to set them here. Here's the first one. So we drew 227.7 amperes of current. Now this one's the top one, the top 3 wires, 126 amperes, right? So the bottom one should be about 100. Bam, there we go. So, I had the calculator out, but don't really need to do the calculator. So that's 126.2 amperes of current with these 2 together, and then 227.7 with the single one. So you can see, there's electricity does not flow evenly. These wires are not the same length or anything like that. I just, made them up to fit where they're supposed to. So, like I said before, if you, some people, they don't have all the capabilities to clamp the power or whatever. So they say, okay, I'm just going to clamp 1 wire or 2 wires or whatever, half of the wires, and then double it to get the total amperage. Well, if we did that with this one, well, now we're saying we only pulled 200 amps of current when we really pulled 227 amps of current. Or if we did it with this one, now we're saying we pulled 252 amps of current when we only pulled 227. So that will greatly affect efficiency, the measured efficiency on some testing if you only clamp one, if you have 2 wires and you only clamp 1 wire, or in this case I've got 6 wires. If I only clamp 3, then try to double it, then we're not going to get good results. So I just wanted to throw that out there so everybody can see it, because electricity will find it flows through the path of least resistance, plain and simple. All right, that's it for this one.